While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
To know a weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is no...
Thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later stages of possible warnings.
Commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Sources for the latest severe weather information.
Now the forecast for the Red Wing area.
Look at your forecast for
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Pierce County, central Dunn County, southern St. Croix County until 8 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Nassau-Baldwin to near Hudson, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Glenwood City and Boyceville around 7:10 p.m. Nap around 7:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Woodville and Menominee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dunn, Pierce, and St. Croix. This is The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dakota County, east central Scott County until 8 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Prior Lake, or 19 miles south of Minneapolis, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Burnsville around 7:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Lakeville, Apple Valley, and Farmington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, and Scott. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dakota County, northeastern Lee Sueur County, southeastern Scott County, northwestern Rice County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Prague, or 19 miles northwest of Northfield, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lansdale, Elko New Market, Webster, and Northfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, Leesure, Rice, and Scott. A severe... The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pepin County, Pierce County, southwestern Dunn County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles east of Elmwood to 7 miles east of Prescott, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elmwood around 7:50 p.m. Eau Gallie around 8:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bay City and Durant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Dunn, Pepin, and Pierce. A severe...
County in southeastern Minnesota until 9:30 p.m.
At 9:01 p.m.
9:01 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Stockholm or 13 miles west of Wabasha, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wabasha around 9:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Dumfries, Zebra Bottoms Campground, Oak Center, Tyman, Gilbert Valley, County Roads 18 and 4, and Kruger Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: Wabasha, Minnesota. Until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: Wabasha,